Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you are here new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. Thank you so much for coming through. I hope you do like the content that I am putting out. It basically has anything to do with beauty, lifestyle, self-care with an occasional vlog. So feel free to join the familia by hitting the subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. That way you are aware of any single time that I post any new videos. Also, and like always, I do want to send my love, many blessings and positive vibes and overall good energy to each and every one of you guys out there. I hope that everyone is staying as safe and healthy as possible. So, disclaimer again, my eyebrows are still a little dark, but they are looking better. I know that I told you guys on my last video that I got it microbladed, so they're starting to peel off a little bit, so I guess you can kind of see some spots. So that's why they're looking dark if you didn't see my previous video, but you know, I'm getting used to them, so we'll see how they come out in the next video. So, today we are doing a BoxyCharm face-off. I've been kind of waiting to do both boxes at one time because I know a lot of people don't like seeing them separate, and they want to see the differences between BoxyCharm to see which one you'd be interested in purchasing for yourself. So let me go ahead and let you guys know that we're going to be doing today a BoxyCharm base box unboxing. And BoxyCharm base box, well, basically, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is basically a beauty subscription box, but it does have skincare in it. The base box is $25 a month, and it retails anywhere over $100, and it has 5 products that can be, like I said, related to beauty, self-care, all that good stuff. And then you have over here the premium, which the premium box is $35 a month. This one has 6 to 7 products, full size. Everything is full size, and like I said, it does have anything to do with beauty, self-care. And I know that they've been throwing in some like lifestyle things here recently, so that's pretty dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack right open into the BoxyCharm base box. Like I said, this is a $25 one. Let's see what we got. All right, this packaging is kind of funny. So this is what the box came out this time. Pull these out, and right here it looks like the theme of this month's BoxyCharm is called Harvest. I did go ahead and look up for the people who are interested in the sizes. I know a lot of people like to know the weight of the box. This one is 1.2 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the first thing that I see, which is actually kind of funny because I was just telling y'all about my eyebrows, but this is the Benefits Gimme Brow. I actually own this, but I haven't been using it lately. This one retails at $24, and basically it's a tinted eyebrow gel. It's supposed to make like the skin and your hairs look very natural. Like I said, this is usually the one that I use because it's like nice definition and everything like that. So it's funny that I actually got this one. But this is in shade number 4. I don't know if you can see. Oh, 4. There it is. All right, let me pull it out. I actually do like Benefits eyebrow products a lot, especially this one, but ain't no way in hell I'm putting this on right now. So this is what this one looks like. And okay, see if you can see, like the wand is mad little. So let me just go ahead and show you guys like what the color actually looks like for those of you who are interested in the color. Yep, this is pretty much the color that I use. So here it is right here. So that's a cool thing to have. Like I said, I really do like that product, so I'm going to go ahead and move that to the side. We're going to move forward here with something by the brand Jeka Black. Yep, and it's called, this is a liquid corrector, a 2.0. This is vegan friendly and cruelty free, which is always a plus, and it retails at $15. And basically it's supposed to be a under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out your skin tone. And it's also supposed to be pretty lightweight. Let's see. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, it's supposed to offer light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. I don't know if you can put it on over makeup, but let's see really quick. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh, guys, it's pink. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Oh, wow. Let me go ahead and put it on here. I wasn't expecting it to be pink. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. It doesn't have any tackiness. Doesn't have any smell. It's just literally pink, which is probably why it has like the little pink thing on it. So that's pretty dope. I'll definitely be trying that out. All right, moving on here, we have something by the brand Yensa. I think that's how you say it. And this is Yensa Beauty. This is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Let's go ahead and open it up. This one right here retails at, damn, $45. That's crazy. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's definitely autumn-like. your nice hot orange. This one says smooth a thin layer on clean damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions with warm water, and then basically you rinse it off. It's supposed to be used 3 to 4 times a day to give you like a nice radiant glow. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like first. Okay, it actually does smell like pumpkin. I don't know if you can kind of see it right here. It actually, yeah, it's like almost like an exfoliator. It has like the little pebbles in it. Oh man, wow, that doesn't, yeah, it smells like a candle. It definitely smells like a pumpkin candle. I love that kind of scent, so I'm actually pretty excited, and I like that they've incorporated something pumpkin, being that the theme of this box is called Harvest. So I think that's pretty dope. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing in the box, and this is by the brand Volition. This one retails at $62. Damn. And it says it's an ultra hydrating serum. It has superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and for a healthier look. Okay, so let's take a look. I don't think I've ever, well, I don't know. I don't know too much about ingredients, but I don't know that I've ever had something with mushrooms in it. So, okay, so it's like a little dropper. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like a matte color right here. And yeah, it says Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So let's go ahead and put a little swatch right here, see what it feels like. Okay, it doesn't really have a scent, and it's very water-like. It's like a very water consistency. So it's not like an oily serum. Some of them are kind of, you know, they're thicker or tackier. This one is very water and very thin consistency. Actually, it does have a tiny bit of tackiness, but nothing out of this world. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to give that one a shot. I think it's crazy that it retails like $60-something, but you know, whatever. Okay, moving on to the last and the 5th product in the base box, and this is by the brand Natasha Denona, which I am so excited on this because I did see it on some of the BoxyCharm spoilers. And this is the Peak palette. It retails, you can't really see it, but this is the packaging. It retails at $48, and it's a 5-pan palette. It's supposed to just have your everyday warm tone eye look. And that's kind of what I gravitate towards. I like the whole warm tone thing for me. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so these are the colors. Actually, sleek, and here we go. Alright, so I figured I would share a couple of swatches with you guys. Hopefully you guys can actually see that. Those are the 5 colors right there. The colors are absolutely beautiful, and they're very creamy-like as far as swatches go. I know they may perform different on the eyes, but I still think those are very beautiful. So I'm really excited for this little 5-pan eyeshadow palette. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add up the total of the base box. That is everything I got on that one, which is actually an all together really, really nice little box. I really like it. So let's go ahead and add this up. Alright, so as I was adding on the numbers, I realized that I never told you guys the number, the variation for this box. And this one is actually 17. Usually it does give you a number down here. I will try to remember to put it in the editing. That way you guys are aware of it. So yeah, 17 variation, and Harvest is the theme, and 1.2 pounds is the weight. So anyway, after adding everything up, this box completely retails at $194. I think that's absolutely amazing, being that you're really only paying $25 for the box. So that's just something for you guys to get an idea of what comes in one of the boxes and your money, like what your money is worth on this. So moving on to BoxyCharm Premium. Like I said earlier, this one does retail at $35. And the same thing, since usually people usually have either the base or the premium. Not everyone gets both of them. The theme is exactly the same. This is Harvest, and this variation box is number 2, and it weighs 2.2 pounds. So let's go ahead and crack this baby open. The premium box is a little bit bigger. So, okay. I see something here already, so let's go ahead and take this off, and this is what that's looking like. It's kind of hard to see, but so the first thing in the box here, we have something by the brand Pure, and this is the 4-in-1 skin perfecting powders. It's a face palette. Basically, this is going to have a bronzer, a highlighter, a blush, and a translucent setting powder. This one is in the shade Medium Tan. Oh, this is cute. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's nice and, I don't know, hard, I guess you could say, medium tan. And on the back, it tells you exactly, I don't know, you can't really see. It says like translucent powder, bronzer, blush, and highlight. So that's kind of cool. That way, if you're not aware of what each one of them is, oh, this is so cute. All right, this has a nice mirror here. I will go ahead and block that, and there are your tones. All right, so I went ahead and I swatched these for you right here. That first color is kind of very translucent, so very difficult to see, especially how pasty my skin looks like right now. But those are the colors, and like I said, this is the medium tan. If you're wondering how they go about picking the shade tone, I know BoxyCharm, I think earlier this year, they started giving you options of things so they could figure out your skin tone, foundation, and things like that, because I know they've sent over like concealers and stuff before. Sometimes it's difficult because, you know, sometimes you get a shade that's not really gonna work for you, so you just gotta kind of hope for the best. But I think that one should be fine for me. So yeah, that's the first thing in the box. We're gonna move right over here to something icy next, and this is in the brand Dose of Colors, and this is a single eyeshadow. This one is in the color Jackpot. I don't think I've ever tried anything by this brand, so should be interesting. The packaging's mad cute. Look at that. It's small, kind of matte with a little bit of iridescent tone. Wow, it has a mini little mirror, which is mad cute, and it looks like a hunter green with some gold specks in it. Let's go ahead and swatch this one really quick. Whoa, that's very pigmented. Whoa, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. I will say the swatches on this is like, it's very creamy. The pigment is beautiful, so I'm actually really excited to try that out. Let me backtrack really quick just to let you guys know. Also, if you are interested in knowing about this one, the pure one, the little palette, I don't know, it kind of swatched like a little dry. It wasn't as creamy as I expected it to be. So just in case you're interested. All right. Oh, and that Dose of Color one retails at $20. All right, we're gonna move over here onto this, what it looks like lip liners. This is by the brand Real Her, and this is the lip liner duo that retails at $25. All right, so this is what the packaging on these looks like. As you can see, they're a little bit of darker tones, but I'm not mad at it. That top one is called Be Yourself. Wait, what? Be Yourself, Be Real Her. I don't know if that's the shade. And then the other one says I Am Confident. That's the other one. So let's go ahead and swatch these a little bit. Okay, so these are them right over here. The redder one is called Be Yourself, and the one over here is called Be Confident. I definitely like both of them. They were very nice and silky. Just a fun fact about this is that it is formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, providing a smooth application. So that's definitely why it's very, very soft. So definitely liking that. Moving on to the next thing here in this box, and this is by the brand Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. It retails at $39. It's supposed to be basically a mattifying shine and blurring of the skin in a weightless setting powder. So this is in the shade 1, Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. It kind of looks like a banana color. Ah, this is nice. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. It has like these rugged little edges here. It looks like a wheel. Okay, and it says, get fresh powder with every twist. Has a little mirror. Then this little apparatus right here. Let's take this off. Okay, so after you remove the little thing, it says twist for fresh powder. And okay, just so you guys can actually see, I'm picking up, it's actually very soft. I'm gonna put some right over here. You probably can't even see it. And it's pretty fair, but it's very nice and soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub that right over here. I don't know if you can see that. It's like baby powder. That's literally, it feels like a soft baby powder with a little bit of a tint. I personally feel like it's a little bit white, like a little bit lighter for my skin tone. But you know what? It's not too bad. We'll go ahead and put that to the side. Moving on over here, we have something by the brand Cosmetics. And this retails at $25, and it's a skincare brush set. It says take cleansing to the next level. Basically, it comes with, let me see. All right, and this is what this one looks like. It has kind of like a little silicone with a rugged little edge right here. The brushes are pretty sturdy. It says Cosmetics on the bottom, and this is your other one. I won't pull that out of the way, but the brushes are nice. And it does say here that one is used for a cleansing brush and dual side silicone mask applicator. Okay, so one's a cleansing brush and one dual side silicone mask applicator. So you can use this to put like basically your self-care, your skincare. A lot of people don't like to put their fingers in jars or anything like that, so they can dig into the little thing, like a little spatula, and apply it to your face, or you can rub in your serums and stuff. So this is kind of cool. It's not for makeup, it's literally for skincare. I mean, I guess you could do whatever the hell you want with it, but that's kind of what the concept of it is, so it's actually pretty cool. And moving on to the final thing in the box, which is something here by the brand Grown Alchemist. And this one, what the? It retails at $125. This is an advanced detoxifying night cream that is formulated with peptides, vitamins, hyaluronic acid. Basically, it's supposed to help you reduce the fine lines and wrinkles that you may have, and it's supposed to give you radiant and youthful looking skin. That's kind of what everyone always claims. So, but damn, $125 is a lot if you're actually paying for this, because this is only 1.35 fluid ounces, which is not bad if it was cheaper, but damn, that's a lot of money. So this thing better work. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, okay. So you open these like how the old school things have. You know how it has like a little prick thingy in here? So you take it and you go. It is a white cream. It just smells like a lotion. Nothing crazy. But it is thick and it is tacky. But hopefully it does a good job. Like I said, this is a detox night cream. So it's obviously nice to put on right before you go into bed. It says it's Australian certified toxic free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Wow. Okay, has a whole bunch of fancy stuff on here. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, honestly. Okay, definitely has like a medicated smell, but hey, whatever. And I'm not mad at it because I did get it for this box. So that is it for the BoxyCharm Premium. I'm gonna go ahead and add up everything in there and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I added up that box, and that one retails at $266. Also, like the first box, it's an amazing deal because at the end of the day, you're really only paying $35 and you get we have 6 items in that box. So it's not a bad gig at all, not a bad deal. Personally for me, this month, what is this, November? Yeah, November? Oh shit. Yeah, it is November. I am not mad about the base box. I feel like usually a couple of months ago, I'd always gravitate towards a premium because I felt like they had better things, or they give you like one expensive product like that $125 one. But I think last month I agreed that the BoxyCharm base box, the $25 one, was actually pretty damn good. I enjoyed that one more. I felt like it had more things that I'm definitely going to be using on a regular basis. Opposed to the premium, for me, I feel like they're trying really hard to make it stand out. But sometimes, like, I don't know, I feel like the things are just okay. I'm a little disappointed in this one. I thought it was going to be working better than what it did, but you know what, I can't complain. They're altogether really good deals, but if I had to give my advice just based off November's BoxyCharm face off, I would definitely go with BoxyCharm base box. So I don't know, that's just me, that's my personal like gusto, like how do you say that, like personal choice, personal whatever. So let me know what you think about it, if you like the base, the premium, and which item was the best one that you guys would like for yourselves. So thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Thank you for joining me in this BoxyCharm unboxing. I am so excited to do it for next month again. So yeah, you guys stay healthy, stay safe, stay blessed, and all those good things. Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.